Hey guys, what up? It's Sharsha back with a new video. So today we are going to be making a DIY. So today's DIY is slime and distress ball combined. So what you will need for this is a balloon, wax and water, just a normal cup of water, and container, and clear glue preferably, but any glue works. It's just easier to make this particular jiggle slime for your stress ball. So what we're going to be doing first, we're going to be pouring the glue in, and you don't want to ever put too much glue in, like for a stress ball, because if you put too much in, then your slime won't fit into this balloon. So next you're going to be adding a lot of water, and you're going to be making it liquidy, the glue liquidy, and you're gonna mix that around. So once the water's all mixed, I'll be back when it's mixed. Okay, so the glue and the water is all mixed up. It's literally water now, but it's fine. So now you're going to be, adding the activator. And you will mix, and your slime will start to form in the water. Hopefully all the water turns into the slime once you mix it up for a while. So as you can see here, that's worked. Also, sorry for the really bad lighting. I always tend to do these videos at night, which is a big mistake all the time because it's always so dark. But yeah, if I do it in the daytime, it will be better because then I wouldn't have to turn on a million lights. Even when I do turn on a million lights, it's still horrible lighting. So sorry about that, but the slime is starting to form. You see how clear that is? It looks way cooler when it's clear. So I'll also be back when it's mixed. So here's a new update about the slime. It's very big. I made too much. But that's fine, you know. That is the slime. Also, I don't think I mentioned, if you mix around clear glue for a long time, it'll eventually turn white because all the bubbles. But if you let it sit for a few days, it'll become fully clear. But honestly, I don't really care right now because it's just going in to a balloon. So this is the slime. I will do a close-up for you guys. Hold on. So this is the slime. It's actually pretty good. It didn't turn that white either. It's not stretchy at all because we added a lot of activator just to get it to be activated from all the water that we added in it. But you know, it's pretty good. It's very jiggly, see? And that's what we wanted for the stress ball. So now we are going to be adding it into the balloon. So you're going to want to stretch out the balloon. Oh, the slime's really satisfying. So I think I told you guys this, the slimes, it won't all fit in the balloon. So we're going to chop it in half. And we're going to put this much in. And we're going to save this for later. Oh, this is really satisfying to play with. I'm in love with clear slime. It's so cool. It's not stretchy, but look at how jiggly it is. Okay. Anyways, let's put it in the balloon. So you're gonna stretch out the balloon, and you're gonna take little by little, I guess. Like, is that the word for it? You're going to stretch the two sides of the balloon so it would look like this. And you're going to stuff part of that into the balloon. This is really complicated. Comment down below if you got this on the first try. Okay, so I got all the slime into the stress ball, or the balloon, soon to be a stress ball. It does come out, so that's a complicated part. You have to tie it fast enough that it won't come out. So you guys know how to tie a balloon. You just loop it around your finger. And you have to kind of do it fast enough that it doesn't start to leak out, like what mine started to do. There we go. And there you go. You have your stress ball balloon. It's very satisfying, actually. Okay. Also, if you happen to get slime all over it like me, because you're very messy, you're a very messy kind of kid, you can always go wash it off. Or you can stick it onto the excess slime that you made. So yeah, that's the stress ball. I think I might draw a face on it. I will give you guys a close-up on the stress ball in a second. But if you like this DIY, I think it was pretty cool actually. It was fun to make because the end product, so satisfying. Oh yes, okay. You guys have to make this. Comment if you guys have any requests for me to do, what kind of slime you guys want me to do, or if you want me to do DIYs. Comment those kind of things. And of course, I'll be doing something with this excess slime. So probably go watch the next video about this slime. It's probably just gonna honestly be like, oh yay, we're gonna food color. I don't know. But I will see you guys next time. Bye.